Ladies, I got you. I haven't forgot about you, but I got a couple of awesome watch faces for you all to check out. These are going to be free in the Gear Manager store. Now, this one that you're looking at right now is a trial watch face, right? So check it out if you like it. I don't know what the guy is charging for this one, and he hasn't given any time on how long this is going to last. So with that being said, let's check out this watch face. First of all, I'm loving the butterfly that's floating across the screen. I'm loving the detail of it as well. The fluidity of this one looks really awesome, and the watch face is geared toward fitness. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to have a nice look so far as your digital time is concerned. You're going to have a nice black background. And once the watch face is on, it is geared toward fitness. You got a nice stacked digital time. You got your calories over here, weather over there. Down at the bottom, you are going to get your battery percentage. And up at the top, you will get your step status and your heart rate. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if I tap in the middle, I can set an alarm. At the top, I can go in and get my heart rate information as well as my step status. And of course, you have the weather over here, which is very important to me. Now, over here, you can tap at the bottom, and that's going to bring up your speed on your run. At the top, you're going to be able to get your S Health information, which I thought was pretty cool. And you can go into your battery info as well. The developer did a really good job with this one. The question is, what is the price and how long do this trial watch face run? I don't know how long. All right, you all, we got one more watch face to check out. So let's get to it. All right, ladies, watch face number 2. Now, this one is called Diamond Bubbles. I'm liking this one. Why? It's a fun, everyday, dress down watch face. You can wear this over the weekend, the work week, whenever you want to, you can. Now, can you get away with dressing up with this? That would be the question, right? In the AOD mode, it has the same look minus the bubbles. So the look is very premium looking without the bubbles. But once you have it on, you got these bubbles that's coming out of the watch face, right? That makes it a fun look. And it's analog. You get your date over here, your date. Battery percentage down at the bottom. You got nice premium looking analog hands, and this watch face is not geared toward fitness. So with that being said, is this a deal breaker for you, or can you find an occasion to wear this watch face with? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so therefore you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and take care.